Now that we have understand and learned sessions in Laravel, let's take the help of session flash messages and display a flash message when a user creates a new student. So whenever a new user creates a student, after clicking submit button, it should display a success message inside our student list that the student has been created. So let's go inside our student controller. Let's open our student controller, and in the create method before the return, in here let's type session flash, then the key in this case, so we will call it success, and we will say student created successfully. That's it. In the controller part, we can add this in the edit as well. So after the update method, after the update before the return, in here let's type student updated successfully, and also for the destroy as well. So let's add it student deleted successfully. Now let's save, and let's go inside our student.index file. So student index.blade.php, and here in the top I will create a if condition. So if session success, and let's end the if as well. So end if. In that case, let's display a div with the class of alar success, and inside here we will display our session message. So for that we will type session, our key, which is success. So let's copy this and paste it. Yes, clicks. Okay, let's save them. Now let's go back, refresh. Currently there is nothing. Let's add a new student, click submit. Now we got our message. Student created successfully. Now if we refresh again, the flash message is gone. So this is how we can create and view our success messages, and inside the controller we will send the session messages like this.